Asper is MicroStep's in-house developed CAM software, a result of more than 25 years of continuous development and customer-driven improvements. Asper provides tools for fast and easy creation of NC programs for different cutting technologies. Basic straight cutting pack may be expanded by a variety of specialized modules designed for specific cutting tasks. Asper comes with a range of pre-installed, ready-to-use templates and integrated shape library containing a wide selection of programmable shapes. Intuitive nesting module ensures the best possible use of material. After choosing the parts, their amount, and other parameters, the algorithm runs multiple nesting iterations looking for the most effective solution. When using Asper together with Machine Production Management, CAM software developed by MicroStep, this entire process is automated. Based on order database and priority, Asper nests the parts, generates the CNC, and sends it to the respective machine. The shape library may be further expanded by additional modules. For example, the Air Select module adds adjustable shapes of a variety of commonly used parts in the HVAC industry.